Okay, so this is my demo of experiments 8 through 18. Yeah, this is experiment 8, which is the this C code translated. So I'll step through that. This is going to keep looping around all the way until that register goes. Okay, so now that's stopped, and register 10 is now C5 and 11 is 04, and then we'll open up experiment 9. Which was the other C code one. Let's see. I enter in a 5 and an 80 there, and we'll step through, and for C count we'll start it at like 25, hex 25, and then we'll step through it. It's gonna keep going until it reaches 31, which it has now, register 1. So then it breaks out. Then 1410, this one is this one, this little clip of C code, which I will assemble now. So we'll make it equal to C-dub, which is 192 in decimal. And it's not going to branch. So then if we assemble it again, and we give it a value that's not 192, it's gonna do the other action. So then, experiment 11. Experiment 11 has several different cases. It is this one over here. Has one for hex 1, hex 8, hex 2, hex 0, and the default value. So we'll test a couple of those. So for A, I'm just going to put a 1. For B, I'll put a 2. C, I'll put a 3. So then for our value, I'm going to put an 8, and that should make it go to next one, which is 8, and execute that, and then finish. If we do it another time, we can put in those same values. And then we can put in 1. And that'll make it do the first action right there, and then branch to done. And if we do it again, and we go to 0, it will step all the way to 0 and then execute that, and it'll branch to done. And then we'll just do one more for the default case. So then this will be something different, like 5. And then it's going to keep branching all the way until the default. And that's 11. So then we open 16. So 16 will have the swapping method, and it has 3 different stages. The one where it swaps the first 2, the second 2, and then the first 2 again, because that's how the bubble sort algorithm works. So then if we assemble this, we can test it out. We can input 2 different things. We can input hex 20, hex 25, and hex 10. And then it's going to call the sort, and then as you can see here, we have 10, 20, and then 25. So it has sorted the numbers. And then we can do one more assemble, try it once more, and we'll do it backwards, I guess. Let's do x30, a hex 25, and a hex 0a. So then we have these 3 numbers over here, and it's going to sort, and they're sorted. Finally, we have program 18, and this is the nibble swap, which will swap the first 4 bits and the last 4 bits of a number. So then we assemble it. I'm gonna take an input. We'll do hex A5, and then This should be flipped to a 5A. So we're going to call nibble swap, and there's our 5A in register 8. And those are the programs.